So, a pleasant evening, everyone, especially to our professor, Sir Clyde. And today we will present our company and our company product. First off, I will introduce myself. I am Gabriel Sembrano, along with my group mates, Mr. Flores and Mr. Incomio. Today, we'll discuss the proposal as well as the survey and who we are, as well as the questions that we have to ask ourselves or the company. So let's first introduce our company name. We go by What the Plug. All right. Now we'll proceed with the presentation by first identifying who we are. Now let's start with why. Of course, the company aims to address a particular issue, and that issue is, of course, very simple. It's it's convenience versus cost. Of course, people want to leave their TVs, chargers, and Wi-Fi routers plugged in, and but it constantly it provides a very much pa-hassle kung tatanggalin pa natin. That's why our company, What the Plug, aims to provide a simple, practical, and sustainable way to reduce yung wasted electricity. Now, let's of course delve deeper as to why or what. Now, the company wants to cut off unnecessary power consumption from phantom loads. So, uh, with this in mind, that's why What the Plug created the smart power strip with auto shut off. So in the Philippines, electricity isn't cheap. In fact, according to the global petrol prices in 2024, the Philippine averages 11.43 pesos per kilowatt per hour. Now, that's one of the highest in Southeast Asia. That means we're paying something that we don't even use monthly. Now, imagine if nag-stock up yan. Now, ano yung mga nasa-stock up na yun? That's the phantom load. So, these are sneaky consumers na binabayaran natin without us even knowing. Now, according to energy studies, this hidden waste can reach 5 to 10% of a house or a household monthly bill. That's why our company, What the Plug, wants to create this smart power strip with auto shut off with consisting of smart sensors and timers that automatically turn off appliances. Now, think of it like a guard, di ba? When devices are idle or and hindi ginagamit, it automatically cuts off the power. It uses built-in sensors, timers, and this in turn, it quietly saves energy in the background while still keeping essential gadgets powered on when you need them. And as a result, it lowers bills, less guilt over waste, and over time, makakapag-save tayo. Nababawasan natin yung 5 to 10% na waste every month. Now, let's proceed with the company's um, problem and opportunity.
So first, let me give you the context of the problem. So yung pinaka-context ng aming company or ng aming startup is yung pagresolba sa phantom loads. So ano nga ba ang phantom loads? So these are the appliances that consume power even when they are turned off. So let's say, meron kang iniwan na electric fan or TV na hindi naman ginagamit, naka-turn off. Pero iniiwanan mo siya nakasaksak pa rin sa convenience outlet. So, these appliances na lang nakasaksak pa rin, even though they are turned off, they can still consume electricity. So that is the main context, or that is the main problem that we are trying to resolve. So let's continue to the problem of our company that we are trying to resolve. So the continuous drawing of electricity by appliances, even when not actively in use, leads to unnecessary energy waste and increased expenses for consumers. So gaya nga ng nasabi ni Gab kanina, isa tayo sa mga bansa na nagbabayad ng sobrang laki, ng sobrang taas para sa kuryente. And knowing na nagbabayad tayo ng sobrang taas, we cannot afford to pay so much for electricity, for energy that is not being utilized by consumers. So napakalaking dagok to sa ating expenses, of course, lalo na in day-to-day life kasi napakataas na nga ng cost of living sa Pilipinas. So, what are the alternatives para lang masolusyonan yung problemang to? So currently, meron naman mga products na mga power strips that have manual switches. So, ito na yung mga thing. Manual siya. So the user still have to perform the turn off activity. So kailangan pa rin nilang itong patayin. Or, isa pang alternative ay behavioral na. Talagang tinatanggal na ng mga tao yung saksakan. Pero syempre nga naman, lagi natin nakakalimutan to. But, I will not further delve into the shortcomings of the alternative kasi the next reporter will be reporting on the customers that we will target, the impacts of our product, and of course, the shortcomings of these alternatives.
So, ayan. So, good day. I am Miguel Incomio and I will be presenting the other parts of the problem or opportunity. So, the next part is the consumers. So, yung target users ng product namin ay primarily yung households and kasama na rin dyan yung mga dorms, office, and mga small businesses. So, sila yung madalas na may may appliances na laging naka-plug. So, kaya sila rin yung pinakamakikinabang kapag nabawasan yung phantom load. And next is the emotional impact. So the consumers will feel safe and less stress on their expensive electric bills. So, di ba nakaka-frustrate naman talaga kapag laging mataas ang electric bill? So, may guilt factor pa kasi alam natin na nasasayang lang yung kuryente kahit na naka-off naman yung mga appliances. Plus, dagdag stress din yung laging pag-iisip na kung na-unplug mo ba or hindi yung mga appliances mo. And with our product, mas mababa yung bills, mas of course, less yung stress and may added safety features pa like protection against the overcurrent. And the next part is the quantifiable impact. So, ayan, studies show na yung phantom loads umaabot ng 5 to 10% ng electricity use sa bahay. And that means daang-daang piso yung nasasayang per family kada taon. And kung ito-total natin yon sa buong bansa, it will cost millions of pesos na nawawala taon-taon na pera na sana pwedeng magamit sa mas importanteng needs. So, and next is yan, the alternative shortcomings. So, manual unplugging is inconvenient and easy to forget. Basic power strips still rely on manual switching. Smart plugs are costly and not user-friendly for multiple devices at once. And yes, may ibang solutions pero may kulang. Sa manual unplugging, nakakatamad siya tapos madalas naman talaga natin siyang nakakalimutan. Tapos sa mga basic power strips naman, need pa rin siya i-switch manually. Tapos sa mga smart plugs, nice naman talaga siya pero mahal at hindi siya practical kung maraming mga appliances yung mga plugs yun. Kaya mas kailangan ng affordable and easy to use and practical solution since ang primarily target naman namin dito is yung mga household. So yun, katulad ng product namin which is yung Smart Power Strip. And next slide will be discussed by Mr. Sembrano.
Now, let's proceed with understanding or our our way or methodology to gather our consumers. So, since company pa naman, it's better to have a survey kung in favor ba sa mga tao or sa mga consumers natin itong product na gagawin namin. So, to understand further with our survey, we we're able to gather 5 respondents, and our way of gathering data or the chance for respondents to provide info is through Google Forms. So for them to rate yung product namin, we provided a likeness scale that is from agree, disagree, and disagree. So with the result of the survey, 4 out of 5 respondents agreed with the implementation of the smart power strip with auto shut off. So this result would show na yung implementation ng said product will likely or mararamdaman nila yung convenience as well as yung benefit that is from lower electricity bills monthly, as well as mas nasasagot yung inconvenience na nararanasan nila kasi it provides them the ease na instead na sila yung pupunta sa gamit na yun para isarado, it automatically does it for them, as well as mababawasan yung monthly bill na yung 5 to 10%. Makikita natin yung importance nun. Now, with the disagree, yung isang respondent na nag-disagree with our product would likely to would because of the implementation or yung hesitation with the technology, o kaya kung hindi nila or would already practice yung manual closing no mga appliances pagtanggal ng mismo sa plug, kaya parang hindi na nila naiisip or hindi na nila nako-consider to add that up uh, sa weapons nila sa bahay. Now, that will conclude the presentation of the company What the Plug and the company product na Smart Power Strip with Auto Shut. Hope we were able to present our topic very well po. Thank you po.